Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. So I'm looking at these two grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Genesis E-325. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Weber is definitely an investment at $849 compared to the Nexgrill's $179.74. But let's dig into what you get for that extra cash.
Okay, so the Nexgrill is portable, right? It's only 28.7 pounds, and the Weber is a hefty 188 pounds.
Exactly. The Nexgrill is your go-to for camping or tailgating. It's a tabletop model. The Weber is more of a stay-at-home grill.
Makes sense. What about cooking space? I like to grill for a crowd sometimes.
Weber wins big time there. It boasts a 641 square inch cooking area, while the Nexgrill only has 263 square inches. That's a significant difference.
Okay, that's a big plus for Weber. What about power?
The Nexgrill puts out 13,500 BTUs with its 2 burners. The Weber doesn't explicitly state the total BTU output, but it's a 3-burner grill with an extra-large sear zone. The sear zone is designed for intense heat, so it'll definitely pack a punch, and the pure blue burners promise even heat distribution.
Even heat is important. I hate having some spots hotter than others. The Nexgrill says it has cast iron cooking grids for even heating, though.
True, cast iron helps. But Weber's flavorizer bars also vaporize drippings, adding flavor and preventing flare-ups. Plus, the Weber crafted system allows for different cooking surfaces like a pizza stone or griddle.
Oh, that's cool. I like the idea of doing pizzas on the grill. What about cleaning? I hate cleaning the grill.
Both have grease management systems, but the Weber system seems more robust, with a pull-out grease tray. The Nexgrill has a removable grease tray too, but it's described as easy to reach, which might imply it's smaller or less convenient.
So the Nexgrill is good for portability and budget, but the Weber offers more cooking space, features, and probably better performance overall.
Precisely. The Weber is a premium grill designed for serious grilling enthusiasts who value those extra features and build quality. It's also got a higher rating, 4.7 compared to the Nexgrill's 4.4.
Okay, this helps a lot. Thanks. I have a better idea now of what I'm looking for. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.